I really need to create this video where I actually show you, trending products, digital products that you can create for Halloween. And every year I've been actually doing this. It has been a traditional thing, so let me just do this one. Okay guys, so I've decided to just record my screen and just do this video very quickly, because if I decided to look all pretty and get dressed and everything before I create video, it probably will not get created, because I really do have a lot of responsibilities on my hand right now with my kids. So forgive me, but I am giving you all the information that you will need. So let us get started. In order to do the research, I am using my good old dandy Etsy shop.ai. I did a video on that already, so I will link it below. Also, if you want to try Etsy shop.ai, to do your research, please feel free. The link is below. Feel free to do so. Okay, so as you can see, I already started my research. I went to product research here, then I entered Halloween right here. Okay, I clicked on only real sale products. Okay, so it is showing me the real sales, and I didn't, I left everything as is, and I clicked on digital because it's only digital products I really want to see, and I clicked on the last 30 days. If you want, you can use 90 days or 7 days or 3 days. So I just used 30 days. I applied my filter. So guys, this is where the magic happens. Okay, so after I applied my filter, you can see, you can see the sales. As you can see, this clip art here has gotten 12 sales so far. The real sales we're looking at. Okay, and I think this is a pretty good product. So let me just click on that and let us examine the product a little more. So as you can see here, that this product was posted last year, and so far it has a total of 12 sales. Okay, but 12 sales still is not bad. It was posted in August of last year, and you can see it really, to me, they probably need to have some more images, that will display the product. Okay, so as we continue to scroll down, you will see many other items that you can probably start creating and sell today. So just by browsing through everything, I saw that there are plenty of Halloween games that you can get, and also a lot of clip art. So in order to make this video, in order to avoid this video being very lengthy, and I really don't want to go through all the research details with you, I have picked out a few items. Okay guys, so I would like for us to take a look at this product right here. I have already pre-selected items, so I will quickly go through what I see and what I like. Okay, so just from looking at this, I think this is something that can really do well this Halloween, and you can probably use Canva to create something simple, just like this. Probably you cannot do this. You may need something more advanced, such as Adobe Photoshop, etc. But Canva can do something but Canva definitely can do water bottles, okay, and chocolate covers, right? All you have to do is get the sizing of what's the basic chocolate bar maybe, and you create that. Okay, so this was posted September of last year, and look at it, 20 sales so far. I know a lot of you may say, oh no, that's not selling, but it's proof that people actually want that, and you can definitely probably create that and sell in your own store or even on Etsy. So if you are already on Etsy, sell there. Okay, and they actually have lots of different type of mock-ups. Okay guys, so as you can see, you can definitely use Canva to create the Capuchin artwork, right? Because as you can see here, the size of the artwork here is 8.5 by 11. So yeah, I mean, this can be easily recreated. Okay, look at this, how simple it is. All right, as I mentioned, you will definitely see a lot of clip arts, right? So look at this, right? So if you actually want to sell something for Halloween, clip art Halloween, different type of clip art for Halloween will definitely sell. This will definitely sell. Okay, as you can see, 48 sales total from just this clip art. And we have another type of clip art. This is so cute. It is a Halloween night design, cute Halloween clip art. This is really cute. So yeah, so this is another clip art. As I said, you will make sales, a total of 54 sales so far. So look at this, very nice, cute and simple. So if you want to start selling printables or digital downloads, this is the time. You can start with Halloween, and this is the time to start creating your items, guys. Okay, guys, so I really like to see what sells and what is working. So we have 101 pages. Okay, so this is the activity, Halloween activity pack. And as you can see, they have tons of different items that you can create and sell. So you definitely can create, Halloween activity packs and sell. So far, 28 sales for this one. And remember, Halloween is seasonal, so people will not buy these on on an everyday basis. So it will mainly sell around Halloween time. Okay, so if you want to track this, you definitely can, and look at the sales coming closer to Halloween. Definitely it will be more. This is really nice. It's a fun activity book that you can purchase, and it's $8.88, the activity pack. So I guess it's different pages of different items you can purchase. Okay, so here again we have more clip art. As I said, I guess this is some sort of reinforcement that clip arts are selling. 44 sales so far, and look how simple the layout is. Very simple. So as you can see here, we have a Happy Halloween word Scrabble game, and this is $2.99, as you can see. Okay, so as you can see, 15 sales so far, and it's just a simple, word scramble game, right? Very simple, and it's selling. So definitely games is something that you can create, guys, and sell. Okay, so this one is a bit different. It is a PNG that can be used for different print on demand products. Okay, so not only a t-shirt, you can put this on, persons can use this on different items. So although the markup is a t-shirt, it's very nice, and I selected this one knowing that it was only posted in July, no sales as yet. However, these will definitely, PNG files will definitely sell, and if you're ambitious, you can definitely try doing your own print on demand with these lovely items right here. As you can see, it's a very simple and cute pumpkin PNG Grinch. So you can be very creative. So you can sell the file as well as sell the product as well. So let us jump into the big guys, right? We have journal kit right here, and this is the junk journal kit, and it said skinny tall journal kit. So as you can see, this is they have a video. This is really cool. So it actually shows you what you can create. Look at this. And I think journal kits have always done well on Etsy, right? And as you can see, a total 22 sales in the past 7 days and 682 sales total. And this was posted last year, September. So this is something definitely you can go into, okay, or get into. Okay, you guys. So I did a bit of snooping around in this store, and I went in the store. My Porsche prints, they got 4,713 sales in the past 7 days. 7 days, guys. Can you believe this? Okay, so let us move down to see. So they have 1,086 items, and when was this store created? Oh, in 2016. So it's a pretty old established store. So they do have quite a few items on Halloween. 27 items. So let us examine this. Okay. Right. So as you can see, they have a lot of items that are selling well right now. In the past 7 days, the portion labels have been selling very well. Okay, so guys, so this is what the portion label look like, right? So these have been selling very well. Very simple, and they are selling, right? So the past 7 days, they've had one sale and a total of 1,000 800. Well, this is an old listing, but you can probably create bundles and make, put these together. This is what I would do. Okay. And then we have the Halloween pocket. So in the past 7 days, they've had 6 sales. And then we have the Halloween paper. They've had 3 sales. And the haunted house junk journal kit, 6 sales so far. And we also have the junk journal kit, 9 sales so far. So look at these guys. The Halloween mini junk journal, 1 sale. This one is 16 sale, the pink Halloween junk journal kit, as you can see. So the Halloween items are doing very good. The junk journals, definitely, I think this is something you guys can jump into, okay? Because as you can see, all this here in the Posh Print stores are selling like hotcakes. Okay, so guys, don't turn your heads on this. Okay guys, so I would like us to look at this one, which is the invitation, a baby shower invitation, but on a whole. So even though I'm looking at the baby shower invitations on a whole around Halloween will do well. This one is a bestseller. Okay, we don't have any sales here, right? Do we? No, we don't have any sales, right? But as you can see, is a bestseller for Etsy. Let me quickly go into the store. Okay, so let us look at this next product. We have the Witch's Cottage. Okay, so as you can see, this product here is let me pull up some more information. Okay guys, so I would like us to look at this store. So far it had 15 sales, as you can see here. It had 15 sales, and right, so basically they're selling digital paper packs, right, for Halloween. Okay, and that you can use digital paper for almost to create pattern stuff. You can create different things with digital paper. A lot of print on demand. It can be clothing, it can be all different types. So as you can see, 15 sales. So this is a pretty good item if you want to create items. This is one. Okay guys, so I've decided to go directly on Etsy and type in Halloween digital download, and as you can see, the competition is 110. So Etsy shop.ai is showing you the number of competition that you will face if you decide to post something in this area. So let us look at digital download. Okay, so this is what I have here. So now I will click on the batch analysis, and I can clearly see again. So this is confirmation that the junk journals are a hot seller. As you can see here, it had 3 sales in the past 7 days. 3 sales, and this is the total sales number right here. Okay, so these are items that you can probably go into and create if you want to, if you want to get into the Halloween niche and sell some printable items. You can sell these items right here. But there's one niche I want to show you. Let me pull that up. Okay guys, so Halloween bookmarks is something that you can probably think about creating as well to put in your store. As you can see, it have different types of bookmarks that you can create and sell, and the sales are not that bad. As you can see here, this one, let's click on this one. So this one is Etsy's pick, and this one, the mock-up is very nice. Right, as you can see, the mock-up is great, and it had a total of 87 sales since it was posted last year. See, the mock-up is perfect, right? And I think the mock-ups really sell, and it's so simple. See how simple it is, and it is selling. So this is something you can probably look into. Okay guys, so I think Halloween Tumblr PNG is something that sells very well on Etsy, and it's something that you can probably look into yourself to create for Halloween. Okay, because Tumblr wraps, they sell very well. And as I said, if you are ambitious, you can sell the product as well. So you can create your print on demand store and sell, tumblers or any other print on demand item that you would like. Okay. I mean, sales, this one was posted in 2022 and had 1,000 or something sales so far. And this one's posted last year, 559. As you can see, the sales are pretty good for tumbler paper. Okay. So I think this is something you can probably explore. Okay, guys, so I would like to show you the last and final product. As you can see here, this candles is something that sells very well around Halloween time. And if you are on the creative side, then you can probably create your own candles looking like this one here and also this one here as well. And you can make a ton of sales. However, we are looking at this digital product. And yes, we're looking at candles. Yes, it is not a digital product, but let me show you something. Okay, let us take a look at this candle. Okay, so as you can see here, smells like she's watching spooky movies. Again, hand poured in New England, soy candle, blah, blah, blah. But let me show you. This here is a digital product. Okay, let me show you the entire store. So this is the entire store of this candle, as you can see here, and they have 1,992 products here selling in store, and in the past 7 days they've had 88 sales so far. Okay, so they are mainly selling candles, and the one I just showed you here was only posted when in 2000 this year, January, right? And it already had 19 sales, as you can see. So guys, this here, as I said, is a printable product because this is a print on demand product here, right? And all they did is went to CANVA and create the label and put it on the candle using one of the print on demand companies. I really want to create a video around this because to me is very interesting, right? So you can create a digital product as well as sell the product itself, a hyper store, to make more money. And I will create a video on that. So if you are interested, guys, please subscribe to my channel and also like the video, and let me know if you would like to see a detailed video showing how you can create this business here, a candle business without actually making the candles. Okay, so if you want to know how to use etsyshop.ai, guys, click on this video here. Okay, bye.